Hi there, welcome to Respond.io. In this video, we'll provide a brief overview of the Add Google Sheets role workflow step. This is an easy way to save contact data directly to Google Sheets during a workflow. You can use it to save customer feedback, survey results, or even create conversation satisfaction reports. Let me show you how this works. First, select the Add Google Sheets role step and click on the Connect Google Sheets button. Then, follow the instructions to select your Google Sheet and choose the worksheet you want to use. Next, fill in the columns with the desired data. You can include text, variables, and even Google Sheets formulas. When the workflow is triggered, the values defined in the column mapping field will be added to the selected worksheet and displayed in a new row at the bottom of the table. Want to learn more about workflows? Check out our playlist linked in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to Respond.io for all things business messaging.